Academy, where you can actually learn your digital skills. Daniel Ojubile, and I am the co-founder of Peldarg Academy, where we train students, learners to be um, skillful and to be empowered through education and digital skills. And this is our website. This is the website that we actually created for the academy. It is Peldarg Academy, and the courses that we are actually offering are data analysis, data scientist, data engineer, web scraping, Python programming, full stack development, introduction to AI, R programming, introduction to statistics, and many more. These are just few part of the courses that we are actually offering. And I would also like to say that over the years, some students have actually benefited from our services. They have actually benefited, and currently we are also into training students, and these are actually the faces behind the academy. We have Nephew Moruf Belumi and as the founder, and I myself, Ojubele Daniel, as the co-founder. We have Kehinde Erioluwa, the program manager, and also again we have um, Tochukwu Ikechukwu, who is the senior graphic designer. He has actually been the one that have been helping us with designing, and I can say he's very, very, very professional. And the website to our academic is pedagacademy.tech. As you can see on the screen, it is pedag.academy.tech. So we are also planning, there are various updates that we will be bringing up, and we'll also be sharing to you, and for you to see what we are actually doing and the services that we are also rendering. And beyond these techs, also we are also into academics. Yeah, we are also into academics. I can say categorically that I started with teaching of mathematics, even though I'm still even teaching mathematics. I I let students to know that mathematics is not a difficult subject as it seems to be, and the fear of mathematics is something that I also try to let students know that it does not exist. Does not exist, and with Pedac Academic, we will be able to break down from simple to complex, and we are also going to explain to you. We have some upcoming webinars which we are already planned for data science. We have new design trend, we have web programming, and you can also reach out to us on our website with your name, your email, and the message. You can actually reach out to us. And also again, I will also try to say that um, everything is possible. Everything is possible. There's nothing that is difficult in as much as you can put your mind and your attention, and you have to be consistency, you have to be persistent, you have to be passionate, and you have to be empowered. You have to be empowered, and in anything that you do, you have to make sure that you are always part of the best. You are always part of the best, like you just want to be the best, because what is actually required from everyone is the best, because there's no excuse for failure. There's no excuse for failure, in as much as failure is inevitable. Failures is inevitable. So with Pedac Academy, we are available in offering services, and our courses are there, and the team are actually the faces behind it. Like I said earlier, we have Nephew Moruf Belumi, the founder. We have myself, which is Ojubele Daniel, the co-founder, program manager, Kehinde Erioluwa, and the senior graphic designer Tochukwu Ikechukwu. And you can also reach out to us through our website. You can reach out to us on our Facebook, our X, our LinkedIn, and our WhatsApp. You can reach out to us. We are free. We are always available. And guess what? We are ready to give you the best. We are ready to give you the best. There are more people that are still coming in, that are still trying to join, and we are going to give updates. Updates are coming. Updates are coming. Learn skills. Be passionate about your academics, and don't forget, education is one of the best legacy, and education is not a scam. Thank you.